Put the lemon. Urad. I'm gonna let it soak for half an hour. 2 chicken legs, potato, carrot, onion, pepper powder, bay leaf, cumin powder, jeera powder, salt, ginger, garlic, chicken broth mix, tomato sauce, tomato, and lime. Instapot is on. I'm gonna use saute on low heat for the temperature. I'm adding almost 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Garlic. After 30 seconds, I'm going to add ginger. Adding onion. Cooking after 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add chicken. Now I'm going to add lentil, urad. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add carrot and potato. Salt, cumin powder, bay leaf and pepper. Chicken broth, almost 1.5 tablespoons. Tomato and tomato sauce, almost 1 cup. Cooking after 4 or 5 minutes. Now that's time to add water. Put the lid on. Now I'm gonna cancel the saute mode. Press the slow cook for 5 hours on high mode. Then press start. Wait for 5 hours, then unplug the pot and let it cool down for half an hour. And bon appetit. Pudina, mint leaves, lemon was